In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your video quality to high in Canva. If your previews look a little soft while you're editing, or you just want to see the details of your footage more clearly, this quick adjustment will make your on-screen playback sharper and easier to review. Start by opening the Canva project that contains the video you're working on. You should be in the main editor with your canvas in the center and your timeline visible if you're editing clips. This ensures the change you're about to make applies right where you need it while you're previewing and scrubbing through your video. Next, move to the top left corner of the editor and click File. This is the editor menu that houses a few important preferences. From there, select Settings. A small panel will open, giving you options that affect how Canva behaves while you work. In that panel, look for Video Playback Quality. This setting controls how sharp your video looks inside the editor when you hit play or drag through the timeline. By default, it may be set to a standard quality to keep things smooth on a wide range of devices. To improve clarity, change it to high. As soon as you choose high, Canva will start rendering your preview at a higher resolution, so fine text, UI elements, and subtle details in your footage are easier to judge. A quick note on what this setting does and doesn't do. Switching to high affects the playback preview inside the editor. It helps you make more accurate edits by letting you see a crisper image while you work. It does not change the final export quality of your video. That's determined later when you download or export. So think of this as an editing comfort and accuracy upgrade rather than a final output change. If your device is older or your internet connection is limited, you might notice playback becomes a bit heavier when set to high. That's normal because the preview is more detailed. If you ever need smoother scrubbing while rough cutting, you can return to the same place and lower it again. Otherwise, keeping it on high is great for color checks, text readability, and evaluating transitions. Once you've set video playback quality to high, play your timeline to confirm the improvement. You're done. To recap, open your project, click File, choose Settings, find Video Playback Quality, and set it to high. That's all it takes to get a clearer, more precise view of your edits in Canva.